We're making a delicious and creamy detox smoothie with carrots and banana. It has over 30 grams of protein and a naturally sweet, tangy, and refreshing flavor with cashew butter, lemon juice, ginger, and turmeric. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes to our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, all you need is an upright blender, and I'm going to use the smoothie cup that comes with my blender base. We're going to start with a milk base, and you can use any milk that you like. I really like using unsweetened almond milk. So I'm going to start with half a cup of milk, and you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description below, and that will take you to the full recipe with all the details, as well as substitutions. And then for protein and creaminess, we're going to add 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt. But you can also use cottage cheese if you like, which will have a slightly less tangy flavor. Next, we're going to use 1 carrot, and you could use either a full carrot or baby carrots. I went ahead and peeled and cut off the ends to this carrot. And then I'll go ahead and just chop it down into some slightly smaller pieces just to make it a little bit easier to blend. Next, we're going to add our banana, which will give it even more creaminess as well as natural sweetness. And I really like to freeze my bananas first because then they become my banana ice cubes. But you could also use a fresh banana and then just add ice cubes if needed. And for more protein and flavor, we're going to add 1 scoop or 3 tablespoons of vanilla protein powder. And I really like using this brand because it's organic, it's naturally sweetened, and I think the flavor is really delicious. And I've included a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. And then for some more creaminess as well as some healthy fats, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of cashew butter. But you could use any nut butter you like. And then to enhance the detox properties, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of some lemon juice. If this is your first time using ginger in a smoothie, it is absolutely delicious. But you want to be careful not to add too much because it can be fairly strong, but it just leaves the most delicious aftertaste. So I'm going to go ahead and grate in about 1/4 teaspoon of some fresh ginger, but you could also use 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger if that's all you have. And another wonderful detox ingredient is adding turmeric. So I'm just going to add about 1/8 teaspoon, and this will also enhance the beautiful orange color. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the video description, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So now we're going to screw on our lid, put it on our base, and then we'll want to blend this for at least a minute to make sure those carrots get blended really well. Now I have a very creamy and incredible smelling smoothie. Now all we have to do is pop in our straw and enjoy. That is incredible. That is the most delicious combination of both sweet and tangy flavors. I get just a hint of carrot, and then I get the really smooth banana, and I love the flavor coming in from the little bit of ginger and lemon and turmeric, and then having the Greek yogurt as well as that cashew butter and the protein powder just makes it really smooth and creamy. And I love that it's made with clean, natural ingredients with over 30 grams of protein. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen to make this fun smoothie. And I've included a link to the full recipe and substitutions in the description, which will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I cannot wait to have you join me again in my kitchen.